Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Prepare to be amazed as we journey through 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful events that happened on December 15th throughout history. From Hollywood legends and musical icons to unforgettable premieres, we've got stories that will entertain and surprise you. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into this incredible adventure through time. Number 20. On December 15, 1966, Walt Disney passed away at age 65. The animation pioneer and creator of Mickey Mouse left behind a magical legacy that's still enchanting the world, proving that dreams really do come true. Number 19. Born on December 15, 1949, actor Don Johnson turns 75 on December 15, 2024. Best known for Miami Vice, he's still rocking the pastel suits and making us nostalgic for the 80s. Number 18. Glenn Miller, famous bandleader, disappeared over the English Channel on December 15, 1944, at age 40. His mysterious vanishing remains unsolved, adding an eerie note to his swing legacy. Number 17. Actress Helen Slater, born December 15, 1963, turns 61 on December 15, 2024. Known for her role as Supergirl in the 1984 film, she's still soaring high in the entertainment industry. Number 16. On December 15, 1993, Schindler's List premiered, directed by Steven Spielberg. The powerful film won 7 Oscars, moving audiences worldwide and reminding us of the profound impact cinema can have. Number 15. Born on December 15, 1979, actor Adam Brody turns 45 on December 15, 2024. Known as Seth Cohen on The O.C., he's still charming us with his quick wit and boy-next-door appeal. Number 14. On December 15, 1995, Jumanji, starring Robin Williams, was released. The adventure film brought board games to life, literally captivating audiences and spawning sequels decades later. Number 13. Actress Michelle Dockery, born December 15, 1981, turns 43 on December 15, 2024. Best known as Lady Mary in Downton Abbey, she's still the epitome of grace and British elegance. Number 12. Tim Conway, born December 15, 1933, passed away at age 85 in 2019. The comedian and actor brought laughter to millions on The Carol Burnett Show, proving humor is timeless. Number 11. On December 15, 1974, Young Frankenstein was released, directed by Mel Brooks. This comedic spoof of classic horror films had us laughing out loud, solidifying its place as a cult classic. Number 10. Charlie Cox, born December 15, 1982, turns 42 on December 15, 2024. The British actor dazzled us as Marvel's Daredevil, showing that heroes don't always need to see to believe. Number 9. On December 15, 2017, Star Wars: The Last Jedi was released. The epic space saga continued with thrilling battles and shocking revelations, keeping the Force strong with fans worldwide. Number 8. Actress Maude Apatow, born December 15, 1997, turns 27 on December 15, 2024. Starring in Euphoria, she's making her own mark in Hollywood, following in her famous parents' footsteps. Number 7. On December 15, 2001, Vanilla Sky, starring Tom Cruise, was released. This mind-bending film blurred the lines between reality and dreams, leaving audiences pondering long after the credits rolled. Number 6. Paul Simonon, bassist for The Clash, was born December 15, 1955, turning 69 on December 15, 2024. His iconic stance on the London Calling album cover is still punk rock personified. Number 5. On December 15, 2010, Tron: Legacy was released, bringing us back into the digital world with stunning visuals and a Daft Punk soundtrack that electrified our senses. Number 4. Actor Stuart Townsend, born December 15, 1972, turns 52 on December 15, 2024. Known for Queen of the Damned, he's still captivating audiences with his enigmatic performances. Number 3. On December 15, 1997, the James Bond film, Tomorrow Never Dies, premiered, starring Pierce Brosnan. High-tech gadgets and suave espionage never looked so good. Number 2. Alex Cox, born December 15, 1954, turns 70 on December 15, 2024. The filmmaker behind Repo Man continues to influence indie cinema with his rebellious spirit. Number 1. On December 15, 1993, Philadelphia premiered in Los Angeles, starring Tom Hanks. The groundbreaking film tackled AIDS and homosexuality, earning Hanks an Oscar and opening important dialogues. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of December 15th's most fascinating moments. If you enjoyed these intriguing tidbits, smash that like button and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more captivating stories that bring the past to life. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more history to uncover.